Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So I'm fine. Yes. Good. So in last class, I think some homework was given to you. Hmm. Yes. What was your homework? What things were given to you? What was the last thing that was given to you? Okay, I think trigonometry, yes, finished. Okay. So right, no voice, no voice. Voice coming now? Yes. Audio, video, fine. Okay. So I think trigonometry we finished. Okay. Only one thing that was left. Okay. I have told you. Okay. I don't remember what things were there. You need to tell me. I think I have told you that less than 360. Can you find any angle less than 360? Probable angles. I'm not saying that all the angles. Whatever that 30, 45, 60, 270, 210. Okay. These angles. Okay. More than 360 also we discussed. More than 360. This part. Yes. Okay. I think I have told you 37 as well as 53 also. 37, 53. Okay, this is also done. 1575 also. This is also done. Okay. A plus B formula. A plus B formula. 2 theta formula also told. A plus B. Okay, over. 2 theta also over. Okay. A small angle. That is also over, I think. Okay. Now, still cos 2 theta formula, I think, okay, was told to you, cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. It was done. Okay. That is also done. Okay. Now, here graphs will be told to you. Okay. But trigonometric graphs, I will also tell, sir will also tell. Okay. Because trigonometric graphs means sine and cos graphs are very, very important. You need to remember. Okay. Sine and cos. Already you have some idea about the sine graph. Sine graph. Okay. This week syllabus, there will be the trigonometry. Then, okay, after this, I will start algebra. So, trigonometry, algebra, that will be the part of syllabus. Okay, we will have log in all the things. So, what I'm saying, first of all, trigonometry, okay, graph of sine. So, any graph, either sine or cos, is having this type of nature, okay. This is known as your sinusoidal function, okay, wave type, okay. So can we remember that sine or cos both are having like this, okay. This will be the sine or cos, okay. Means this type of functions we can say that is your yes, wave pattern, okay, like this, okay. There will be the sine and cos. Only one difference will be there. If I say sine 0, what is the value of sine 0? Sine 0. Sine 0, you know, that is the 0, okay. So sine always starts from 0, okay, and then it will keep on going like this. Just we can say, okay, this is the your wave type pattern, okay. So this will be the graph of sine theta. Here we can write, we are writing actually theta on this axis. I can write this one is 0 here. From here to here, this one is the full cycle, okay. You need to remember, this is the full cycle, okay. one cycle, then after that this is the next cycle. Okay, so one cycle will be like this. Okay, starting from here, and then this will be the full cycle. Okay, starting from here, we can say this will be the one cycle here. Okay, starting from here and going like this, it is your one cycle. Clear? What we can say here in this one, this is the one cycle, and one cycle, you know, that is the 360-degree. One cycle is 360-degree. Here we can say in each cycle there are the four parts, and we say these parts as the quadrant. Four quadrants are there: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Probably you remember also, I think. We don't remember. So we can say that here four parts we can divide. Okay, like this. Okay, so we can say this one here. This is basically your first part. Here we can say this one will be the second part. Okay, this we can say as the second part here. Then we can say similarly here, this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. So four parts are there. Okay, each part, because you can see you have divided into four parts, so each part is going to be 90-degree. Okay, each part will be 90-degree, and you can see each part is just like this. So that you can remember here, each quadrant is like this. We can say this one is the one quadrant. This is the your second quadrant here. This will be the third quadrant. This will be the fourth quadrant. Each quadrant is like this. Okay. First, second, third, and fourth quadrant. Okay. Means each quadrant will be like this. Don't say this thing. Okay. This is the one quadrant, 90-degree. So we can say this one is 0. Here we can say this one is the 90. Either I can write 90 here, or I can write upside. Okay. Your choice. You can write here also. We can say this one is the 180. This can be your 270, and here we can say 360, cycle completed. So here to here we can say this will be the 0 to 90. Okay, here to here we can say this is the point of 90 here. So 90 and this is the up to 180. That is the second quadrant. We can say 180 to 270, because this point is corresponding to 270 here. So we can say this is the third quadrant, and this one is the 270 to 360, fourth quadrant. Okay, here one more thing you can notice, that sign is positive in the first quadrant as well as second quadrant, and in third and fourth sign is going to be negative. That we have seen in the ASTC also. If I ask what is the value at sign 90, what is the value at sign 90? Means sign 90 value, because sign 90 is going to be 1. Okay, and you can say here that it is basically oscillating between here and this one. We can say if you want to find 270, when you will find, then you will find this value will be the minimum value will be -1. So sign is going to oscillate between, or we can say it will be changing between +1 and -1. What are the maximum value of sign? Maximum value of sign +1. What is the minimum value of sign? -1. Okay, +1 and -1. Clear? Any problem in this one? Sign will be changing from -1 to +1. Okay, sign is going to change from, you can say, -1 to +1. Okay, in this one. Now using this we can remember all the values. What happens that sometimes sign 180 I will ask and you will be confused. Okay, either you have to find, you will not be having that much time that we are using ASTC and then thinking about the rules. Directly I said 30, 45, 60, 90, 120 and 180, 37, 53. These angles should be remembered all the time. For these you will not even think for 5 seconds. So we can say here, sine 0 is going to be 0. Whatever the sine 90, 1. Sine 180 we can say 0. 270 is -1. 360 is 0. So using this graph we can remember, you can always say that graph will be going like this. This will be your graph here. Okay, this is 0, this is 90, this is the 180, 270 and 360. So sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1, 180 is 0, 270 is -1, 360 is 0. Clear? In our physics will not be having, means very rarely we'll get that angle is more than 360 or some other angles, but 180 is there, 270 will be there, 120 will be there. They will keep on coming. So we can say this is the graph here. So we can say sine 0 is 0, sine 90 1, sine 180 is 0, 270 is -1, 360 is 0. I hope you everyone remember this thing, that this is the graph of sine. Graph of sine starts from 0. Okay, starts from 0. Sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1, sine 180 is 0, 270 is minus 1, and then again 360. Graph is this. Okay, this is the graph here. Okay, so we can say in this graph here, okay, this is the full cycle. It's starting from here. This is the full cycle. This one is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and that will be the fourth quadrant. Four quadrants are there: 0 to 90. Then this is the 90 to 180, 90. Okay, 180 to 270, and then we can say 270 to 360. Here we can say in first quadrant, second quadrant, sign is going to be positive. In third and fourth, sign is going to be negative. Already we know this thing. We can say again, sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1. Sine 180 we can say h, yes, it is 0, 270 is minus 1, and 360 is, okay, 360 is 0. So all the angles, important angles of sine, I hope everyone remembered. Yes, now we can say for the same thing we can write for the cos also. But what the thing about the cos, you can say, sir, cos theta graph, if you want to put here, cos 0 is basically going to be cos 0. Cos 0 is going to be 1, okay. Cos starts from maximum value. Maximum value of the sine as well as cos is going to be 1, okay. So it will be starting from the maximum. That is the only difference. Otherwise, graph will be same as this, okay. Exactly same pattern you will get for the cos also. These sine and cos are the exactly same thing. And those, okay, if you remember this thing, okay, you learn one more thing. Suppose, okay, after selection you will be coming for the party, okay, then people will say yes, dance, then you can say like this. There's a graph of sine, okay, then you can say graph of cos. Sine and cos graphs, that's you have to do. So now we can say graph of cos will be going like this. Exactly same way, okay. Sinusoidal function. We can say it's one cycle here. We can represent this one cycle from here, okay. This is the your, okay, one quadrant. This will be the second quadrant, because I said this is the one quadrant, okay. This is one quadrant here. This is the your, okay, third quadrant, and this will be the fourth quadrant, okay. Now we can say after this, okay, your again next cycle will be started. This will be the your next cycle like this, okay. So here we can say cycle of cos is like this, okay. This will be the cycle of cos, starting from here and then going like this, okay. Starting from here and then okay, then we can say this point will be your okay, starting point, then going here, and then again coming back. So this is the one cycle here. We can say this is the first quadrant here, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. From here you can say which quadrants are positive in this one. In cos, which quadrants are positive? What do you say? This is the one cycle. Which quadrants are going to be positive? You can see here, first one is positive, okay, second one is negative, third one is negative, and fourth one is positive, 1 and 4, okay. And already in the last class in ASTC I have told to you that cos is positive in 1 and 4. We can say its maximum value is going to be here +1, and minimum value is going to be your -1. It is also, okay, oscillating between +1 and -1. Now we can say this one is 0 here, this one will be the 90 here, this one will be the 180 here, this will be the 270 here, and here finally we can say this is going to be 360. Using this you can remember one more thing. What about the cos 0? Cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0, cos 180 is -1, cos 270 is 0, 360 is again 1, okay. So I think sine and cos, we remembered that here, okay, starting from here, cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0, cos 180 is -1, 270 again becomes 0, 360 becomes 1. So I hope remember sine as well as cos, graph as well as values, these two things, because we'll use a lot of time. Okay, and with this you learn one more thing, okay, that yes, we can do like this. You learn dance also, because dance is also one important part of the life. You should know. You learn one more thing. This is also there. Okay, for other people this is something else, but for us this is the one quadrant, that is the 90 degree. Okay, and oscillation also I will use. I will say yes, we are moving by this. Okay, in our graphs. Okay, I will be telling a lot of graphs of velocity and these. Okay, we can say this will be the your one quadrant 90 degree. Okay, this is the 90 degree, not the snake dance. Yes. So listen again one more time. I'm saying sine cos 0 is 1. Okay, cos 0 is 1. Okay, cos 90 is cos 90 graph is here. At 0 graph is here. Cos 0 1. Cos 90 graph is here, so 0. Cos 180 is -1. Cos 180 is -1. I hope clear na? cos 180 minus 1. Again 270 graph is here. Okay. So we can say 0. And again we can say 360 it is at the high point plus 1. Yes. Someone with name Poco, it is clear to you. Sin 180, cos 180, 270 and all the things. Can I move to the next one? Next part here. Okay. Okay. So try to, remember these things I will use in SHM, and I will say that I have told to you at that time something like this, that this was the one quadrant, lot of, whatever I am discussing here, exactly same thing I will use. Right now after this quadratic equation, right heading, quadratic equation, means right algebra, trigonometry is finished here, and now trigonometry means basically basic trigonometry is over, we have not done that, a lot of things are there, just whatever we need, only that part we have done in the basic trigonometry, now we'll write the algebra, and algebra also means basic algebra, whatever we need, but before proceeding to the algebra, I will ask one question. What is the value of maximum value of sine theta? Maximum value of sine theta, because I will use this thing later on, 1. But if I ask what is the value of a sine theta, what will be the value of maximum value of a sine theta? Then we can say that sine theta is going to be 1, but here a is multiplied, so this maximum value is going to be a, clear? If anyone is asking what is the maximum value of 10 sine theta, then we can say what will be the maximum value of 10 sine theta? 10, somewhere you can write this question otherwise, maximum value of, maximum value of, a sine theta. So we can say answer is going to be what? Answer will be a, so that you can remember, that sine value is going to be what? 1, so that value will be a, clear? Okay, if functions are given in combination, that thing I will discuss in the oscillation only, I am not discussing here. So now algebra, you can write quadratic equation. But before quadratic, we will be having the linear equations, means we will be having just a single variable, or we are having the two variables, but power will be 1, linear equation. Like if I give you one example here, like x plus 2y equal to 6, and here we got 3x minus, suppose 5y equal to 10, like this. These are the two equations. Somewhere we have to use, in our Newton's law of motion, we have to use these things. Are you perfect in these equations? How you will solve in this one? Everyone is clear now? In linear equations, here power of x and y is 1, what is the method? One question only I can take, I cannot take more than one question. Yes, in NLM we have to use this, because you will be having the equation, t minus 30 equal to 5a, when you will have pulley type questions, or anywhere in the NLM, these will be coming. What is the method? Basically, you have to eliminate 1. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. So one variable you need to eliminate. So how you can eliminate? Basically, if I multiply in this one 3, if I multiply 3 here, then we can say 3x and 3x we can eliminate. Anyone you have to eliminate, You can say, can I eliminate, sir, y also? Yes, you can eliminate y also. In which you are comfortable, you have to eliminate, Like here you can say, sir, I'm much comfortable in, that I can multiply just 3, and if I subtract here, then what will happen? 3x and 3x will be cancelled. Any one you can eliminate. So we can say minus. Thus here we can write plus, and this will be also minus, So what we can say, this 3x will be cancelled. Here 3 into 2, that will be the 6y, This will be multiplied here. Plus 5y equal to 3 into 6, that will be the 18 minus 10, Listen, this will be the minus here. So what will be the answer here? We can say 6 and 5, that is the 11y equal to, what will be the answer here? 8. So we can say y equal to, that becomes 8 by 11. And this y you will put in equation number 1, Put y in equation 1. So we can write here x plus 2y, that is the 8 by 11, equal to 6. X equal to what happens? 6 minus, this will be that side, so 16 by 11. And then we can write x equal to, this is a fraction here, we can say 11 will be this. So here we can write minus 16. So x becomes, okay. Yes, I hope I'm correct. Yes, my calculation, you can check. I have seen a lot of people, okay, they will not have problem in the NLM. They have problem in the, okay, solving equation. Okay, one time we will discuss, yes, this way you have to write the equation. You will learn easily that, yes, this is the method to write the equation. Where is the biggest problem? How we are solving these two equations, because everywhere you will be having the two equations. So this one can we practice? This method, this is not the quadratic here, okay? I have not started the quadratic, but before doing the quadratic, this thing is important. Okay, one you have to eliminate, two variables will be there and one variable you have to eliminate. Can I give you one question now? You will solve? Yes? Okay, okay. So, I'm going to give you one question here and I hope you will, okay, get the answer also. Yes, wait, okay, wait. Only two questions I'm taking here, because after that I have to go for quadratic, then I have to go for series, arithmetic, then your geometric, and then binomial approximation. Today only we have to finish the basic mathematics, because the next day onwards we'll start the unit and dimension. And basic mathematics means just whatever the basic part. Again, I told that you don't have to go very high things. Even I will not tell, okay? But this is required, okay? This is not the high things, this is required. Last class I gave you homework. Some of the people messaged, but Monday, yes, unit and dimension will be there. But your calculation, actually, I know, okay, what type of calculation we have in the medical. Yes, people cancel anywhere with anything they cancel. So this basic things, okay, we'll learn. One question is there. I can say here, suppose this one is, okay, I can say 3x plus 5y equal to 20, equation number 1. Another equation is x plus 2y equal to 10, okay, equation number 2. Now, you need to solve this. Give me the value of x as well as y, okay? X and y, both value you need to tell me what will be the answer. Again, this is not part of track sheet. This is not the part of syllabus. But already I said that, like, so many things I said that was not the part of track sheet as well as syllabus, like up to 20 tables, square, cube, how to take the root. This is not part, but important. We need. A lot of people struggle here, okay? Now, you got x as minus 10 and y as 10. X as minus 10 and y as 10, okay? People are messing. Yes? All the people got the same thing? I don't know answer, okay? I need to say solve. I have just given some random data. Okay, now I will solve, okay? So what we can say that out of this one, you have to eliminate. And you can eliminate anyone in which you are comfortable, okay? You can say, sir, I can eliminate 3x easily if I multiply with 3 here. So we can multiply 3 in this one and then I will subtract, so minus. So this 3x is going to be cancelled here. So here what you will left, 5y. This will be 3 into 2. So that will be how much? 6. So minus 6y equal to, we can say, here will be the 20 and this will be the 10 and 3. So minus 30. So we can say this is the minus y equal to minus 30. So we can say y equal to, means not 30, means this will be the minus 10. So we can say y equal to 10 here. Once you got y equal to 10, then you have to put in equation 1, okay? Put in equation 1 or equation 2 in which you are comfortable. You can say, sir, in 2 it will be much easier. You can do. So x plus 2y, that is the 10 here. So I can put here x plus 2 into 10 equal to 10. So now 20 and x equal to minus 10 is the answer. And I hope now these two questions are enough. You have to take some of the questions, okay, from you and practice 5-6 questions on this. Clear? Okay. So now I'm going for the quadratic here, okay? So on quadratic, I will spend around 15 or 20 minutes. I think that will be the enough time. in quadratic, okay? And try to learn in the 15 minute, okay? More time not possible. So listen, what are the basically quadratic equation? If I say, what will be the power of variable? 2 or 3 or 4? 2 or 3 or 4? 2 power will be there, okay? Like if I give you one equation here, okay? Here I can say, suppose if I give you one equation, like we got x plus, okay, 2x plus 10 equal to 0. What will be the value of x here? You can say 2x plus 10 equal to 0, so x is going to be 5. Very good. We can say 2x equal to minus 10, so x is going to be minus 5. How many values are possible in this case? How many values are possible? One value is possible, which power is 1, so value will be also 1. Means one solution is possible, one value is possible. Means it's one answer will be there, okay? Same as this, we can say when quadratic is there, power will be 2, and its general equation we can say x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. But if I say in this a is 0, if you make a 0, then what will happen? It will remain quadratic. If a becomes 0, then it will remain quadratic. No. So here we can say if it how to be quadratic, then a should be non-zero. Okay, this is the condition. If it how to be quadratic, then a should be non-zero. And when two powers are there, then how many solutions will be there? How many answers will be there for x? Two answers will be there for x. Okay, and those two answers or two solutions are known as roots. Okay, so we can say this is going to have two roots. Okay, two roots will be there. Okay. And these two roots, I can give the name alpha as well as beta, okay? But if I ask what is the definition of root? Roots are the basically solution or answer of quadratic. Solution of quadratic, okay? Quadratic equation. Solution of quadratic equation or answer of quadratic. For this equation, we'll be having two answer for x, okay? So that we can say is the alpha and beta. Now here we have two methods. One is the factor method and one is the formula method. Okay. You know factor method? Can we do factors? Okay. So few questions I will take on the factor method, and when we are not able to think about the factor, like within 10 seconds, if factors are not coming to your mind, then go with the formula method. Okay. Now, so first I am writing the formula because formula we have to mug up today. Okay. Formula we have to mug up now, okay, for the quadratic, because whenever you are not able to think about anything, you have to use always formula. And formula is here I can write, okay, formula is x equal to means answer of x will be minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, okay, 4ac divided by 2a. Now only you have to remember. Already I expect that everyone remembers this formula. This is a very basic formula. X equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here two roots are there. One time you will take plus and one time you will take minus. Means we can say here value of alpha means first answer alpha we can write like minus b. We can take here plus root of this b square minus 4ac divided by we can write 2a, and other answer for this one beta, we can say other solution beta will be minus b. We can take minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so these are the two roots. One root is alpha, one root is beta. Roots means basically answer will be your alpha and beta. Two answers will be there. Always they will ask what are the two possibilities, two solutions. So two solutions we can say, one is going to be alpha, another is going to be beta. Yes, up to this thing is clear. This formula you have to mug up. Okay, mug up now within 30 seconds. Okay, done. Everyone is done with this. Whenever quadratic will be coming, quadratic can come in some of the chapters. Okay, in some chapters it will be coming in kinematics, starting from the kinematics. Okay, quadratic will be coming. So we can how to use this one. If factors are not coming, then we will use only this. You will not waste 4-5 minutes in finding the factor. Within 5 to 10 second factors coming, good. Otherwise you have to use this one minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, without any hesitation we'll use this. Now here in this one more thing that I will use only in chapter optics. Okay, that for that chapter only I'm writing, and that time also I will tell. Okay, that is this b square minus 4ac. Okay, b square minus 4ac, I'm giving the name d. Can I say the name d? B square minus 4ac is the one, okay, big term, so I can say the d. Okay, short. This d means basically, okay, it is the discriminant. Okay, and we can write here this discriminant, that is the your d. So we can say discriminant d, that is basically equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, b square minus 4ac. So can we remember discriminant d, that is the b square minus 4ac. Mainly I will use this line whatever I'm writing here in optics. If you remember, I'm just asking whether you remember, there is the one Newton's displacement method. You might have done experiment also in class 12th. Newton's displacement method, you did experiment? No? Chances are less because, okay, generally I think in schools no one is doing the experiments, just writing the books and submitting without knowing what is happening in the experiment. But that experiment is actually very, very important. So there, okay, I will tell this condition b square minus 4ac. What this thing basically tells, it says that if d value is more than 0, if d is more than 0, then your roots will be real. Okay, roots will be real. What is the meaning of roots will be real? Roots will be there means real solution will be there, means actually solution will be there, means you can find solution will exist and you can find. Okay, roots are real means you can find. Okay, and here we can say roots are real and, okay, roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. You can say, sir, real. Okay, we got real means we can find. Okay, answer will exist and we can find. Answers will be real. Okay, real means some real number will be there. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay, and what is the meaning of distinct? Distinct means same or different. What do you say? Distinct means different. Different roots will be there. Roots will be real. Okay, real numbers will be there, as well as different will be there. Like one is the 2, other value will be 3. One is the 10, other value will be 4. One is, suppose you got okay 5, other is 7, like this. Okay, 2 different numbers will be there. Clear? Okay, number 2 comes here. Somewhere we can say d equal to 0. When d equal to 0, then we can say roots will be equal. Means actually 2 roots should be there. But if one root is 2, other root is also 2. One is 3, then other is also 3. If one is 4, other is also 4. One is 11, other is also 11. Means in this case, 2 roots will be there, but both are going to be exactly same. 2 solutions will be there, both solutions are going to be exactly same. Means we can say roots are real and equal. Okay, here we can say roots are, okay, equal and real. Okay, means equal roots will be there and of course real. Okay, some like a 5, then other is also 5. Okay, but suppose if I say number 3, d is less than 0. D is less than 0 means you will not be able to solve. Simple. Okay, for your level. Okay, means in medical we will treat that solution will exist or will not exist. D less than 0, roots are not there. Okay, solution is not there, roots will not exist. Okay, not there. And whatever not exist, okay, then in mathematics people say that if it is not in the reality, okay, if it is not in the reality, then it is in our imagination. Something which is not real, it means that is the, if something which is not real, which is not, okay, which cannot, which is not existing, it means that is the only in the imagination. So here people are saying, what the meaning of this thing for you? For you means solution is not there. Okay, you will not be able to solve, and don't solve. If you find d less than 0, then ignore. Okay, means we cannot solve. There will not be any solution for this. But people are saying in the mathematics that here we can solve, but this solution will be imaginary. Okay, imagination will be, okay, this solution is going to be imaginary. So here people are saying roots are imaginary. Okay, now if I say what are the meaning of imaginary roots? What are the meaning of imaginary roots? It will exist or will not exist? For us, it will not exist. Okay. For the mathematical people, okay, there is the one okay branch of mathematics. They study these things. Okay, we don't have to study. So whenever we get less than okay d is less than 0, then we get a solution will not exist. That's over. Okay, for us. Clear? So what will happen most of the time, okay, you will get these conditions, d more than 0, d equal to 0. In one place, I will tell that here that solution will not exist, d less than 0. Clear? This is also clear. I'm writing the formula first, then I will take 3-4 questions on this, okay? Now, this one somewhere I can use sum of root, okay? Sum of root. Sum of root means I can say sum of root, that is your alpha plus beta. Do you remember this formula, alpha plus beta, sum of root? Yes? Anyone? Sum of root. You might be thinking that all these things we left in the 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, and after 10th we thought that it will never come. In 11th also we left that it will not come. And now you are saying that we have to do this thing. Without this we will not proceed. Yes, you have to remember. Whatever I am writing here, you have to remember those things. Okay. So we can say sum of roots is minus b by a. Okay. Minus b by a. Try to remember. Of course, this is unfair, but what we can do. Okay. Some people say that yes, physics is also unfair for the NEET. Why physics is there? They can only ask biology. But some unfair things are there in the universe. Then we can say product. So we can say product of roots. Okay, product of root, that will be basically alpha into beta, is your c by a. Okay. If you are able to remember, then very good. Okay. Otherwise, whenever these things we have to use, we will write again and again. Okay. So that it will be in your memory. Okay. Whenever I have to use not this thing, then I will again write. Okay. I will remind you. Okay. That yes, this was done. When I have to use this thing, then we will remind that yes, this thing we have done. Okay. Yes. I hope it is clear. Can we write next thing? Tell fast. Now we'll take some examples here. Okay. Now this is over. That theoretical part of this one, that formula part is over. If I give you one example here, okay. If I give x square, okay, minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. What you say about this one? First of all, you need to check whether roots will be there or will not be there. In this question, roots will be there. You will always compare with given equation with ax square plus bx plus c, okay, equal to 0. So we can say a comes here 1, b is minus 2, c is 4, okay, plus 4. So we'll okay, we have to find first of all d, that is the b square minus 4ac. Then we can say b square, that will be your how much? 4 minus 4 into 1 into 4. So that value becomes here minus 12. Now what do you say? Roots will exist or will not exist? Solution will be there or will not be there? D less than 0 means no solution, means roots imaginary. Okay, roots imaginary. Imaginary means for us we can say no solution. Okay, we cannot solve further. Okay, no need to solve further. Okay, done. No roots. Is there any problem in this one? Here in this question? Array, tell fast. Sir, what are is offline students practicing for examination? Just whatever the examples we are giving, small examples, the same thing. Okay. Actually, no, we are not giving much worksheet in this one. Reason being because if we go more, okay, then it will be the okay, like the mathematical class is going on. Just we need to know these things. What are okay? What things are there? And this one is clear now. Anyone having doubt in this question? You can see. If anywhere doubt, clear? Notes enough for exam? Yes. First week examination is just okay. Assessment, whatever the basic mathematics, no need to. Okay, syllabus will be started from Monday onwards. Okay, this is there that yes, this much information we need to know. So in this case, most important thing is that your practice. If you're your okay 10th class or 9th class, okay, from there you can practice some of the questions. Okay, yes. We will have unit dimension. Okay, unit dimension, very important chapter. 3 questions comes. Sir, by notes can we track? Can we crack NEET? Not okay. Not only cracking, you can get very, very, very good. Okay, people got 180 also. And if you ask what they did, they will just tell, yes, I did material, notes, and whatever the teachers are giving the assignment time to time. That's it. You don't have to do this much things. Okay. But basic mathematics is required for that. Okay, calculations are required. Without that, we cannot do. So if I give you this, okay, here, can you check for this one? 5x plus 4 equal to 0. For this question, roots will be there or will not be there? For this one, can we solve or we cannot solve? Can we solve or we cannot solve? Can we solve? Okay, if we can solve, then solve. Okay, then give me the answer. If you can do, sir, what is the weekend syllabus? Whatever will be covered, that will be the weekend syllabus. Whatever basic mathematics we will cover, that will be asked. Okay, today, till today, whatever I will cover, that will be the syllabus. You can say ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Sometimes I feel that rather than, okay, when I'm discussing the question, no one is asking. But when random questions, so many people are asking, sir, this. So you are mainly interested not in this. Okay, in the discussions, we are mainly interested. A lot of time I feel this. When something I start, then people ask, yes, 4 and 1. Yes, we got the roots, 4 and 1. Someone answered here. First, we'll check the D here. We can say age 1, B age 5, C age 4. So we can say D, that is the B square minus 4AC. Okay, so first we will check whether roots are there or not there. B square means 25 minus 4 into 1 into 4. So D becomes basically what? 9. Yes, D is 9. Clear? Means D means B square minus 4AC value is 9. B square minus 4AC value is 9. Okay. Now, so of course roots will be there. Roots are there. Okay. Roots exist. Means we can say roots exist here. And we can say roots will be x equal to, we can say, minus b means minus 5 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac already we solved. Already we have solved b square minus 4ac. What is the b square minus 4ac? 9. So we can say 9 divided by 2 and a is how much? 1. This part is clear because b square minus 4ac already I have solved here in the, okay, this. So now we can see that I have written like this. For one root, okay, we can say alpha, we can take, okay, we can take plus, so minus 5 plus root 9, you can solve this like this also, minus 5 plus minus 3 divided by 2. So we can say plus divided by 2. So that will be the minus 2 by 2, it becomes minus 1. And for other, we can say beta equal to minus 5. We can take one time minus here by 2. That becomes minus 8 by 2. That is the minus 4. Okay. So roots are basically, what are the roots? What are the solution? Minus 1 and minus 4. Okay. Using formula, we did this. We have done using the formula. Clear? Okay. Now, I will tell using factor also, okay? Using factor, the same question, okay? Using factor, I will tell the same question, okay? How we can solve the same question using factor also, okay? Then I will give one more question and then, okay? Like this, you have to do practice. You can find, okay, in your 9th or 10th class, okay, booklet. So you can practice some questions. So I can write here, means I will do this one again using factor. Okay, because and when factors are not coming into your mind, you will use always formula. So we can say x square plus 5x plus 4 This is basically 0. This a is 1 here, so 1 and 4 you can write, okay? This is the factor, okay? And then you have to think about the all possibilities for a and c. You can do a and c multiplication in all the possibilities. One possibility is this. One possibility you can say that I can okay, write 4 as 2 into 2. So one possibility will be basically 2 2. Okay? Is there any other possibility for 4? Multiplication of a and c. Multiplication of a and c is what? 4. So 4 possibilities, 4 into 1 or 2 into 2. Only 2 possibilities are there. How to do the factor? Now, you have to take that one so that summation of that should be, okay, summation of that should be equal to this middle value, this b, okay. So we can say summation of this one, if you take, then never, not possible, okay. But summation of 1 and 4 can be middle value, okay. Clear? And here we know a and c both are positive. So we cannot take this here 2 and 2 because summation is not your 5, only 1 and 4. So we can write here x square plus 4x plus x, one factor, okay. 5x you have divided into two parts, 4x and x plus 4 equal to 0. X plus 4, and here we can say plus 1, x plus 4 equal to 0. X common, so x plus 4, here 1 common, so x plus 4 equal to 0. So x plus 4 and we can say again x plus 4 common, so x plus 1 equal to 0. One time we can say x plus 4 equal to 0. So we got x equal to minus 4. And one time we can say x plus 1 equal to 0. So we got x equal to minus 1. But this method will come only by practice. Means we need to do some practice for some questions, and from where you can find, okay, just Google also we can do some practice, we can do in this one, okay. Clear? Formula is best. Whenever you are not able to think about the factor, go with the formula, okay. That's why I have told that generally we'll use the formula, okay. Can I tell next question? Next question. Next one. Write fast because I have to tell a lot of things, huh? Okay, one more I'm writing here. X square minus 7x plus 12, okay. Now, we can say, can you solve using the formula? Using formula, can you solve? I will tell using factor, okay. So we can say 12, and here this is the 1. So we can say 1 into 12, that is the 12, okay. So what are the possibility for 12? We can say one possibility is 6 into 2. Other possibility is 4 into 3. What is the other possibility? You can say sir 12 into 1 also, okay. What can be the other possibility? For the 4, means for the 12, what factor we can take? What two parts we can take? Okay, we can take 12 1, 6 2, 4 3. Okay, now summation should be equal to 7 here. So 6 2 if you take, then not possible. 12 1 you can take, not possible. So only possibility will be your 4 and 3. Okay, so we can say x square minus 7 we can divide in 4 and 3 because summation of this 7 can be 4 and 3 here, okay. So 4x, okay, minus 3x plus 12 equal to 0. X I can say, so x minus 4 minus 3, x minus 4 equal to 0. X minus 4 again common, so we can say x minus 3 equal to 0. So we can say x minus 4 equal to 0, so x is 4. Other side we can write here x minus 3 equal to 0, so x equal to 3. I hope we can do. And whenever you are not able to think about the factors, you have to always use formula, okay. Don't waste your time because in the exam you will be getting just 45 seconds to solve the questions. So go with the formula without any doubt, okay. Clear? Okay, so from where you will practice? Quadratic. From where you will practice? You can just, okay, search, okay, some questions on quadratic and you can practice, okay. 4-5 questions just you have to practice, it will be enough, okay. Okay, can I go for next then? Next thing, AP board 7th class, 8th class, any class you can take and then practice 5-6 question. And don't practice, okay, 100 questions, just I'm saying 5-6 enough for you, okay. That much. Right, next, binomial approximation. binomial approximation. Okay. Now, this approximation is one useful result we will do. What this approximation is saying, same question, say as formula method. You can solve by using formula method. Answer will come Redmi 9A. If you doubt, then I will write. Because I have to tell binomial, then okay, APGP, then log, okay, and then okay, some important formula also. So that's why I just told two questions. Can we do Redmi 9A? Okay, good, very good. What this is saying that whenever you get 1 plus x power n, okay, 1 plus x power n, and if you feel that if x is less than 1, if x is very less than 1, okay, and if you have 1 plus x power n, then what we will write? Whenever okay x is less than n, and you get you get like this 1 plus x power n, then power comes inside, okay, then power will be inside. So we can say this result you have to remember 1 plus x power n, 1 plus nx. Okay, can I take one question on this? One question where I will use means just after 2 weeks, okay, I'm going to use this binomial approximation. Not 2 weeks, maybe in the okay next week only I will use. Maybe 2 weeks, yes, I will use. Okay. So written this thing, written now. This is the question here. Density variation with temperature is given by rho equal to rho naught divided by 1 plus gamma delta theta. Okay, you might have seen this formula somewhere. Rho equal to rho naught by 1 plus gamma delta theta. Seen or not seen? Okay, I have given, but in the question. Okay, if okay, rho naught equal to 10, gamma equal to 2 into 10 power minus 4, and temperature change means basically delta theta. Okay, delta theta is 50 degrees Celsius, then density H. Okay, then density H. I hope question is clear. Question is clear. These questions we have to solve. Okay, exactly same question we will do later on. Only thing that formula will not be given to you. Formula, okay, I will tell. So formula you will learn, you will remember. So in this case, I have given rho naught, I have given gamma, and I have given this thing, and now we need to solve. So what you will say, sir, I will put here means binomial approximation is the one method to solve the questions in the easy way. Okay, tough questions, tough calculation we can do somewhat simplified. That is the okay. So we can say rho equal to value I can put rho naught h 10. Okay, 1 plus gamma, that is the 2 into 10 power minus 4. See this question carefully because we have to do after 2 or 3 weeks exactly same question will come. Into temperature changes 50. Is there any problem? Just all the values I am putting here. Clear? Okay. Then I can say rho equal to, we can say 10 divided by here, okay, 1 plus 50 into 2. What are the 50 into 2? 100. Yes. So this one we can say 10 power minus 2. Okay. Now, is there any problem? No problem. Now, you can say that if I want to solve in the traditional way, okay, in the traditional way, then you can say what will be the traditional way? I can write here 10 divided by 1 plus, and this will be the 0.01 then you can say like this 10 divided by 1.01, and then you will divide like this here 20, and then we can say 101, and then this will be the 1000 you have to do. This is the one traditional way of solving the question, but we will not solve like this because we know here there is going to be some calculation. I will not do like this. Okay, so what I will do then, okay, roll of binomial comes. Okay, so what we can write, what is the power in this bracket here? In this bracket, what is the power here? If nothing is given, means power is 1. Okay, so here power is 1. Can I take this whole thing upside? You can say yes. So we can say rho equal to 10, and I can write 1 plus 10 power minus 2, and upside this power 1 will become upside. When I will take upside, then this power becomes minus 1. Okay, now you will tell here that with respect to 1, 10 power minus 2 is less or large? 1 10 power minus 2 is less. So can I use binomial approximation? Okay, I can use. So now we can use, so power comes inside, so we can say rho equal to, it becomes 10, 1 minus, okay, here minus 1 will be multiplied, so 1 minus 10 power minus 2, and after this your calculation becomes very easy, because you can say, so now I can multiply 10, so it will be 10 minus 10 multiplied here, 10 into 10 power minus 2, so that becomes 10 minus, this will be 10 power minus 1, that is a 10 minus 0.1, so finally answer becomes 9.9. Okay, this is the answer. So here we don't have to do division, which most of the time to avoid division we use this binomial approximation. I hope you got idea how we'll use. In questions we have to use. So this thing you will become perfect whenever we have to use in the questions. Okay. Later on we'll solve a lot of questions. What are the binomial approximation? Just 1 plus x power n we have to write as 1 plus nx. 1 plus x power n we have to write as 1 plus x power n you have to write as 1 plus nx. Can we remember this? Okay, so this question you can write. Okay, it will remind you how we will use. Okay, and then later on we are going to solve also these things. Write fast so that we can do AP GP also. Yes, make it fast. You have 5 seconds to note down. Okay, done. Right heading progression. Right heading progression. Okay. Now, what type of progression we are having? One is the AP not used in NEET. Yes, AP not used. Okay. Whatever not used, I will not tell. Okay, don't worry. Whatever not used, I will not tell. I will only tell whatever is used. Okay. But we having basically AP, we having your GP, we having your HP. Out of that, which one we have to do? We have to do the GP mainly. Clear? So don't take tension that you have to do a lot of things. No, GP I will use. Okay. This is the arithmetic mean, geometric, and harmonic mean. Okay, means harmonic progression. Full form if you want, you can write. Otherwise, you can ignore. First, you need to remember this thing, this formula: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 up to n. Okay, what will be the summation of this? This formula we need to remember: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot n. You remember? It is basically n plus 1 by 2. So can you remember this first formula? Yes. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, sum of, yes, natural numbers we can say up to n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot up to n. We can say what? n plus 1 by 2. Next number, that 2 you have to write here. If I take a square here, 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus dot 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 like this. Okay, so we can say in this case you can write here n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, this is the second formula you have to remember. Okay, these three formula we have to use. Number 1, this number 2 you have to, and number 3 I can write cube. Sum of cube, 1 cube, 2 cube. This is the basically sum of natural number. This is the sum of square of natural number, and this is the sum of cube of natural number. So we can say 3 cube plus 4 cube plus dot dot dot. So we can see here in this one, that will be your what? Formula is n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. These formula write and remember. Okay. Write fast. Sum of first n natural number, we can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 n. Square if it is given, then n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. And if they give the cubes, then we can say n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Clear? Okay. Means you have to remember, okay? Somewhere this one you will see, probably you will use, okay, somewhere in, okay, very soon. This one I will use in somewhere, okay? This one I think probably will not use, okay? But all three you have to remember, okay? Somewhere in the questions we can use. Can you write one question? Find sum of square of square of first five natural number. So what we can say, first five natural number actually means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square they are asking. Okay, so you can use the formula also, or without formula also we can do. Okay, but I will use the formula. So okay, so formula is basically n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So we can say n is 5 into this will be 6. This will be 2 into 5, 11 divided by 6. So answer becomes 55. We can solve without formula also this question. Okay, ready for next thing? Okay, right then, GP, right? GP means geometric progression. But geometric progression how to use in gravitation as well as in the electrostatics also we can use GP. Okay, what the GP basically? Okay, GP is saying common ratio is going to be constant. Common ratio will be constant. You can say, sir, what are the common ratio? Common ratio is basically next term by previous term. Okay, like if I give you one example here, 1, okay, 10, 100, 1000. So you can say dot 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 like this. Okay, so can you open the formula of AP slide? This is not AP. I'm not discussing. These are the just formula for some okay, summation of first natural number, square of natural number. Okay, AP I'm not discussing formula. Okay, if time will be then we can write. Otherwise, use not there, so I'm not writing. Okay, this is the use, so I'm writing here. Write fast or take a screenshot. Okay. Again, I have told to you that I'm only writing those things which I have to use. Okay, nothing extra. So here we can say that next term by previous term, 10 by 1, 100 by 10, 1000 by 100. So basically what are the R we can say next term, okay, divided by previous term, okay, or we can say this is the basically your T n plus 1 divided by T n, okay. This will be always constant. Like in this case, you can say that, sir, I can find here, okay, 10 by 1, or I can find 100 by 10, or I can find 1000 by 10. What are the here value of R? R is 10, okay, and that is constant. This is known as GP. Clear? What are the GP? Next term by previous term will be same. If you take any term, fifth term by fourth term, fifth term by fourth term will be equal to 10th term by 9th term. Okay. Now, if I say, what do you say about this one then? Okay. If I give one example here, 1 by 4, 1 by 16, 1 by 64. Okay. This is GP or no? Yes or no? It is GP. Just you have to tell me yes or no. Answer is yes. Okay. And what is the common ratio? This is GP. And what is the common ratio? Common ratio in this case, you can say, sir, this by this, okay? In each term, 1 by 4 is multiplied. 1 by 4 is multiplied. So we can say R is basically second by first you can do, okay? T2 by T1. So we can say T2 by T1, that becomes what? 1 by 4, okay? This is your common ratio, okay? Can I take some other examples? Make it fast. Some other examples, okay? What do you say about the next one then, okay? What do you say about this? If I give you anywhere, like this one is there, okay? 2, 4, 8, okay? 2, 4, 8, 16. Yes, this is the GP, yes or no? Yes, GP. With common ratio R equal to 2, okay? R equal to 2. 4 by 2, 8 by, okay? I hope you can easily find, okay? What do you say about this one? 1, okay? 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27. Yes, tell me fast. Yes, GP is there? Yes, this is the GP. With common ratio R equal to 1 by 3. R equal to 1 by 3. Clear? Okay. Now, what question will be coming to us? They will ask, okay, sum of GP. Sum of GP. Okay. So, I can write here. And next, okay, next slide I can write. Suppose first term is A. Next term is AR. Next will be A, R square. Next will be A, R cube. Dot, dot, dot. Okay. Like these are the terms I can say plus, okay? Sum of infinite GP, okay? Sum of infinite GP. Infinite GP means where terms are infinite, okay? Sum of infinite GP, okay? As infinity is infinity, as infinity is infinity, if R is more than 1, okay? R is more than 1. This is known as increasing GP, okay? Increasing GP. I will tell you one example of this, okay? Increasing GP. Example is here, okay? Example is here. 1, 10, 100 means this is the example here. 1 plus 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus dot dot dot. This is the increasing GP or decreasing GP. You can say here R is basically, what is the R? R is 10. In each next term 10 is multiplied, and 10 is multiplied, then this number will keep on increasing. So here we are getting your 10 power 4, then 10 power 5, then 10 power 6, then 10 power 10. Okay, so you will keep on going, the number will keep on increasing. And what will be the summation of all the terms? When you will go to the infinity, the number will be infinity, okay? So here summation of GP is infinity. So you have to remember always, whenever there is the increasing GP, then it is the infinite. Generally people remember A by 1 minus R, okay? A by 1 minus R is there, okay? But if increasing GP, then always you have to write what? Infinity, okay? If I say that if R is, okay, if R is less than 1, okay, R is less than 1 means we can say this one as the decreasing GP, okay? Then we can say sum of infinite terms will be A by 1 minus R, okay? Then it will be the A by 1 minus R, okay? For example, if I say, okay, like, okay, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, dot, dot, dot. This is, okay, if I give you this series, what do you say about this series? This is the increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. Value will keep on reducing. What is the value of R in this case? In this case, R is half. Okay, R is half. And if R is half, then we can say S infinity will be equal to what the A? A is always first term. Okay, whenever A is, okay, first term. Okay, A is first term. So we can say first term, that is the 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. Answer becomes 1 by 1 by 2, and finally it is 2. Clear? This question, huh? Can I take some more question? Can I take one question related to gravitation? That same question we have to do in the gravitation. Yes. Okay. Okay, but I'm giving one homework here, okay? Just you have to tell me the answer fast because time is very less. Okay, we have just 5 minutes left. What do you say about this one? 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27. Tell me the answer fast. Yes. We can say S infinity will be equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. That becomes 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3. And answer becomes 3 by 2. Clear? Okay, this is the example that you have to try. Okay, 1 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 1000. Okay, you will try at home. Okay, what will be the answer for this one? Okay, okay. Now, so question is right language of the question. Infinite particles, each mass m. Write this one fast. Infinite particles, each mass m are placed at distance x equal to 1, comma 2, comma 4, okay, dot, 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 okay. Find net force at particles, kept at origin, okay. Now, so this is the situation here. I have given the figure also that at the origin we are keeping capital M, and at these distances, okay, x equal to 1, this is the small m, x equal to 2, this is the small m, okay, x equal to 3, this is also your small not x equal to 3, x equal to 4, 2, okay, 1, 2, 4, then like this 8, okay, next will be the 8. And we need to find force on this particle, okay. So you can say first particle will have force, second particle will have force, third particle will have force, like this all particle will have force. You know what is the formula of force? Net gravitational force I'm asking, okay. Find, okay, net gravitational force. What is the formula of gravitational force? You can say, sir, formula is F equal to, everyone knows, F equal to G m1 m2 by R square. This is the formula, okay. So this will be having force F1, huh? This force will be F1 because of this, okay. This will be having force F2, this will be having force F3. So what is the total force? Because it's a total force will be equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus dot, dot, dot up to infinite particles are there. So F1 force, if I write here, then we can say G capital M into small m divided by, what is the distance for this first particle? 1, okay. 1 square we can write here, okay. Then we can write here in this one, next one, G capital M into small m divided by, what is the distance from here for the second particle? 2. So 2 square will be what? Here 1 square, here 2 square, plus we can write G m divided by 4 square plus dot, dot, dot. I hope this one is clear. This exactly same question we will do in the gravitation, okay. I will tell exactly same question. Now what will be the common here? You can say, sir, out of this I can take something common, that the G m is common. We can say here 1 by 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus dot, 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 okay. What you feel? What, this is GP? Yes, this is the GP. And what are the common ratio here? That is the your 1 by 4. Means it is GP, okay. It is GP with R equal to 1 by 4. So we can say that equal to F equal to GMM we can take here. For this one, first term is 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. And now we can say it becomes GMM, okay. This will be how much? 1 minus 1 by 4, so this will be the 4 by 3, that will be the answer. I hope this one is clear. Yes? Is it okay? Okay, na? Okay. So when I will take this question, okay, if I take this question or if I give you this question in the exam, can you solve? Okay, good. Because these are the only value and this will be the only question that I have how to do. So can I ask next thing now? Next thing, okay. Listen, two things that you have to remember here. AM is basically your, if two numbers are there, then their arithmetic mean is given by A plus B by 2. Arithmetic mean is given by A plus B by 2. This information we will use somewhere, okay? A plus B by 2. And I can say, what will be the geometric mean then? Geometric mean, if I say GM, okay, for two numbers, then we can say this will be geometric mean. You have to tell me. Geometric mean, you have to tell. Yes, arithmetic mean, because everyone remembers. It is the root AB, okay? It will be the root AB. Can you remember now? Now, both things, this one and this one. Arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Yes, root AB. Can I ask one question now? One question on this? Okay, one question I will ask. In question is here, Newton's displacement method okay, this will be coming in optics, okay, optics, okay, height of object is GM of, okay, GM of height of two images obtained. Okay. What the meaning of this thing? That if I say, okay, O equal to, then it will be the root of I1, I2. Okay. What are the I1, I2? I1, I2 are what? Height of image. Okay. And what are the O? Height of object. Okay. Clear? This thing we will learn there, okay, in the optics chapter, okay, that this will be your GM. Here I am telling, okay, I am giving that if I1 equal to 4 centimeter and I2 equal to 9 centimeter, then object, okay, then object height. What will be the answer? Answer O equal to root over 4 into 9. Answer becomes, yes, 6 centimeter, okay. Means if you remember this formula, then it will be very easy for us, okay. We will remember that, yes, this will be the your geometric mean root AB, okay. Over this one, this part is finished. Anyone having doubt? Okay. Now, do you remember formula of sphere? Formula of sphere? Yes, volume, okay. So listen, I'm writing some important formula here that I have to use. For the sphere, I can say, okay, surface area. Surface area is given by 4 pi r square. Can you remember? Volume is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube, okay. Is there any problem in this one for the sphere? For the cube, okay, cube, surface area, you need to remember how much? 6a square, okay, 6a square. And we can say volume, you have to tell me, yes, what will be the volume? A cube, okay. Cylinder is like this, okay, this one is the cylinder. So we can say for this one, volume What the volume basically? Pi r square h. Okay, pi r square h, or we can say this h is basically, this one is the h here. Okay, and area. Okay, area here, two area are there: curved surface area. Curved surface area. What is the meaning of curved surface area? Try to get, like, this is the cylinder. Okay, this is the cylinder. So in the cylinder, this part is basically known as curved part. Okay, this is the curved. So curved surface area and total surface area. In total surface area, I have to include this side as well as this side. Both the side I have to include. Clear? But okay, when I say curved surface area, then I will take only this one. I will not consider this side as well as this side. What will be the area of this side? This side area? This side. This is the circle, na? And this is the circle. Pi r square. Pi r square. Okay, this side pi r square and this side pi r square. Okay, and curved area I am writing here. So curved area is, okay, basically 2 pi r h. What is the curved area? 2 pi r h. Okay, but if we ask total surface area, then you can say total surface area will be 2 pi r h plus pi r square this side and pi r square this side. So that becomes 2 pi r square. You can take common, 2 pi r common, so that becomes h plus r. Clear? These are the formula you have to remember. Okay, anyhow, okay, must be remembered. Can we do? Yes. Can I ask one question on this? One question on this. Okay, one question I will ask here. Okay. So you can take a screenshot. I'm going for next one. I will take, okay, in radiation, rate of cooling is given by RF proportional to A by MS. Okay, RF proportional to A by MS. Okay, where A is, okay, surface area, M is mass, and S is specific heat. Okay, find ratio of rate of cooling for two sphere made of same material. Okay, two sphere made of same material having ratio of radius 2:3. Now this question we will do in the your which chapter? This question will come in which chapter? Can you guess the chapter name? It will come in your which chapter? Heat transmission in radiation. Okay, very important question and very simple. We know that rate of cooling is A by ms. Here material is same, and material is same is what will be same? We can say rho will be same as well as density will be same. Okay, density and okay, S will be same. So we can say rate of cooling, that is proportional to, okay, A divided by mass we can write volume into density into S. Rho and S is same. So RF proportional to A by V. Now formula you know for the sphere. So for the sphere we know A is basically 4 pi r square divided by, we can write here volume 4/3 pi r cube. So rate of cooling is directly proportional to 1 by what? 1 by r. Are 1 by r na? Once you got this thing, then your question is over, because we can say Rf1 divided by Rf2 will be equal to how much? R2 by R1, and answer becomes 3/2. Now, this question is tough, very tough question. This is very tough question. No, okay, but later on it becomes tough because some people are not able to write. They will remember the formula A by ms. Everyone knows. Everyone will remember also. Okay, but here mass we can write volume into density, and then area we know 4 pi r square. Volume is the 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, now Yes, things are over. Okay, here just log is left. Okay, log in log just okay, 2 to 3 formula are there, very basic formula basically I can see. In log here I can write that if anywhere you got log m n, then you can say it will be always log m plus log n. Okay, and if I say anywhere log m by n, then we can say this will be the log m minus log n. And if anywhere you get log m to the power n, then power comes outside. Okay, power will be outside, so we can say n log m. Okay, n log m, this will be the answer. Over. Okay, bases are same. If base I don't give, okay, that if I don't give the base, then base we take as 10. You can write, okay, if base not given, then base we will take as 10. Okay, if base not given, then we will take as 10. Clear? And one more thing you can remember at the last. Okay, at the last. Okay, that log, okay, ex, okay, if you have to convert into your log 10, then we can say it will be the 2.303 into log 10x. Okay, clear? 2.303 we have to multiply. This one I will use in somewhere. Okay, already you know this thing, na? Log e, if you have to convert, then 2.303 we have to multiply. This is the, yes, enough information. It is over. From your side you will do practice. Okay, next class will start our main chapter. Okay, bye. Okay.